Dad, what's going on? Dad, what's going on? Where am I? Where am I? Take it easy, Lisa. Take it easy, Lisa. You're in the hospital. You're in the hospital. What? Why am I in the hospital? What? Why am I in the hospital? Yesterday, I went to wake you up. Yesterday, I went to wake you up. But you weren't responding to me. But you weren't responding to me. You weren't waking up, so we called an ambulance. You weren't waking up, so we called an ambulance. And what happened to me? And what happened to me? The doctor said that you were sleep deprived. The doctor said that you were sleep deprived. Have you been under a lot of stress lately? Have you been under a lot of stress lately? Yeah, I haven't been able to sleep in a few days. Yeah, I haven't been able to sleep in a few days. My poor child. My poor child. When can I go back home? When can I go back home? We need to talk to the doctor. We need to talk to the doctor. Hello, doctor. Hello, doctor. Hello, Mr. Peters. Hello, Mr. Peters. Have you talked to Lisa yet about what happened? Have you talked to Lisa yet about what happened? Yes, she has been awake for about an hour. Yes, she has been awake for about an hour. Great. That is a good sign. Great. That is a good sign. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Lisa. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired. Other than that, I'm doing great. Other than that, I'm doing great. Very good. Are you in any pain? Very good. Are you in any pain? No, I'm not in any pain. No, I'm not in any pain. Great. Are you hungry? Great. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm very hungry. Yes, I'm very hungry. Okay, we'll get you something to eat right away. Okay, we'll get you something to eat right away. After that, you can go home. After that, you can go home. Lisa is already allowed to leave today. Lisa is already allowed to leave today. However, she needs to recover. However, she needs to recover. That means no TV and no video games. That means no TV and no video games. Okay, thank you, doctor. Okay, thank you, doctor. When can she go back to school? When can she go back to school? Tomorrow she can go back to school. Tomorrow she can go back to school. As long as she feels better. As long as she feels better. A few hours later. A few hours later. Hello, my darling. How are you feeling? Hello, my darling. How are you feeling? Hi, Mom. I feel good. Hi, Mom. I feel good. I'm just a little tired. I'm just a little tired. Lisa needs to sleep now. Lisa needs to sleep now. So she can go to school tomorrow. So she can go to school tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to bed now. Okay, I'm going to bed now. One day later. One day later. Lisa, you're already awake. Lisa, you're already awake. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel great. I feel great. I'm full of energy. I'm full of energy. Great. Then you can go back to school. Great. Then you can go back to school. Come on, let's get going. Come on, let's get going. Lisa, you're back. Lisa, you're back. Are you all right? Are you all right? I heard you were in the hospital. I heard you were in the hospital. I was worried. I was worried. Hey, Sarah, it's all good. Hey, Sarah, it's all good. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. Perfect. Shall we go in? Perfect. Shall we go in? Yes. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. What's going on here? What's going on here? We were so worried about you, Lisa. We were so worried about you, Lisa. We are very happy that you are back. We are very happy that you are back. Welcome back, Lisa. Welcome back, Lisa. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. You are all the best. You are all the best. When can Lisa go back to school? A. Tomorrow. B. The day after tomorrow. C. In 1 week. Leave a comment. When can Lisa go back to school? A. Tomorrow. B. The day after tomorrow. C. In 1 week. Leave a comment.